Oh, hey. So I have some exciting news. I got selected as a Cricut Contributing Artist. And I uploaded a couple designs just because I couldn't wait. And I wanted to invite you all to use my designs and like make something nice. And I don't know, use it in any ways that you want to. But I just wanted to showcase a few ones. So look at this. This is perfect for, like, let's say shotgun envelopes, or maybe you're trying to do some wedding decor or something. Maybe you can apply it on acrylic, some glass, have the initials here. In my profile, if you'll see, it's just the design is just this much. So what I've done is I've duplicated it and made a little cavity in the middle. You can see how precise and intricate all of this is. This is parsley inspired. So even the next few designs that I have is parsley and Indian and motif inspired. Look at this peacock. I love it. So on the design space, you'll see it has two colors. So you can even optimize it. I thought that maybe we can have some play with colors. You can use the design as it is, but I made the design all black and then cut it out of one aisle. So the next one, look at this. This is so beautiful. I have uploaded, it's under review, so hopefully it gets elected. But look how beautiful this has come out to be. Again, all of these designs are two colors, so you can choose to add make whatever color you want it to. You can even cut it out of cardstock, because all of them are quite intricate. But this one specifically, this is again yet to come. You can even do laser cutting and add another paper, and yeah, or just like one vinyl. And this design is also two colored, so you can layer it up. You can even do iron on, put it on, let's say, hankies, napkins, t-shirts, baby bibs, anything. Like, it's such a fun design. You can use it on cake toppers as well, right? So really fun, cute, simple design. This one, the last one, is actually much intricate, right? This one is what I had envisioned, was like, using it on walls, so big decals, because this has just really minute details. This took me a long time to read myself. So just be cautious. Like, if you're in that zone, in that zen zone, that you want to do something and, you know, just be therapeutic, that's when you can use this design and cut it bigger, okay? So then it's not gonna give you any, yeah. But again, look how pretty this has come out to be. This is again two colored on the design. And the last one, this is probably one of my favorites. So now this is an abstract peacock, and of course, again, I've done a tone on tone, right? Just one color. On the app, it's two colors, so you can layer it up, again, iron on, vinyl, and even cardstock. It out as a template, and then probably do some painting or something. You can even make stamps out of this. So really, a lot to do. I really love this. Yeah. So four designs have been selected, and I'm going to tell you which ones. This one has been selected, and you can find it on my profile. Use it for shoguns. Use it for some rangoli. Use it for tags, even for birthdays. I don't know. Go woke. This one again. This is the original design. I've duplicated it, to have this sort of effect. You can even use it like that, again, for envelopes. Look how beautiful this looks. That's also available. This one is also available. And the fourth one that's available is this peacock. And then some are on the way coming. So I request you to follow me, honestly. If I have you on there, you can even suggest me what to create, what not to create. But I am loving how, I don't know, this is so pretty. Like, I want you guys to make something out of this, and then I can like put in a video together, and yeah, it's gonna be so pretty. I just want to see how you guys use it as well. So I just wanted to pop in here and just showcase all of this. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments below what I should design next. And yeah, so exciting. Okay, I don't want to go.